This way, when you're looking for a specific spice, you know exactly where to find it. No more rummaging through your drawers or cabinets. Plus, this type of organizer typically comes with multiple compartments, so you can keep your spices neat and organized. There are many products available to choose from. Spice Drawers Organization. I have compiled a list from reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful. To help you make an informed decision on various features. The right products with different features and prices are determined from Best Spice Drawers Organization. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vange Spice Drawer Organizer. You often find yourself rummaging through your spice drawer, looking for that one elusive seasoning that you need to make your meal perfect? If so, then you need a spice drawer organizer. The spice drawer organizer is a great way to keep your spices organized and within easy reach. With 4 tiers of storage, it can accommodate up to 64 seasoning jars, making it the perfect solution for a messy spice drawer. The inclined angle design of the organizer makes it easy to see and grab the spice you need, while the clear condiment location helps you keep track of what you have and what you need to restock. Made from durable clear acrylic, the spice drawer organizer is easy to clean and will withstand years of use. What are the dimensions of the product? The product dimensions are 9.843 x 6.893 x 2.363. What is the material of the product? The product is made of acrylic. How many levels does the product have? The product has 4 levels. What is the weight of the product? The product weighs 0.95 lbs. Number 2. Brippo Spice Drawer Organizer. This is the best spice drawer organizer with 35 spice jars, 328 labels, sift and pour shake lids with airtight aluminum caps, 4-tier, 2-set, clear acrylic drawer countertop tray rack with seasoning containers. This complete spice organizer set contains everything you need in one pack, including 35 glass square spice jars, 4 tiers 2 set, 8 PCS, spice drawer organizer, 35 shaker lids, 35 metal caps, 328 CT2 types pre-printed waterproof spice labels, blank labels with 2x markers, 1x stainless steel funnel for refilling. All accessories essential are provided in this pack, so there is no need of other purchases. The 35 pack premium ultra clear glass spice jars are made of food grade thickened glass that is BPA free, lead free, and shatter resistance. The 35 PCS dual functional sift and pour lids allow you to either shake or measure with spoons. The airtight aluminum caps protect prepared spices from being exposed to air, keeping spices aromatic and flavorful. The 4 tiers 2-set clear acrylic spice jars tray is made of quality construction in 2mm acrylic that is sturdy and durable. It will not warp, rust, stain, break or yellow like plastic. Number 3. Jadam Spice Drawer Organizer. This spice rack is perfect for organizing your spices, and it's also a great way to add an interesting and stylish touch to your kitchen. The clear acrylic design makes it easy to see what spices you have, and the 4-tier design makes it easy to grab the spice you need without having to search through a bunch of bottles. The expandable design means that it will fit in almost any drawer, and the included labels make it easy to keep your spices organized. Common questions on Spice Drawer Organizer. 4-tier clear acrylic expandable from 133 to 263 seasoning jars drawer insert, kitchen drawer spice rack tray for cabinet countertop. Where can I purchase the Spice Drawer Organizer? The Spice Drawer Organizer is available for purchase on Amazon. What is the dimensions of the Spice Drawer Organizer? The dimensions of the Spice Drawer Organizer are 133 x 263. How many spices can the Spice Drawer Organizer hold? The Spice Drawer Organizer can hold up to 4 spices. Why we like this. 1. The spice rack is suitable for drawers with deep of at least 325 inches and can hold up to 60 standard 4-ounce spice jars. Number 4. Space 8 Spice Drawer Organizer. If you're anything like us, your spice cabinet is a cluttered mess. Jars upon jars of various shapes and sizes, all containing who knows what, crammed into a single cabinet or drawer. It's time to get organized with the Space 8 Spice Drawer Organizer. This complete drawer spice organizer set comes with everything you need to finally get your spices in order. The large capacity 4-tier tray is perfect for organizing all your spices and more throughout your home. The tray is made from strong steel and has a good finish, so it won't crack and is easy to wipe clean. The set also comes with 28 spice jars, made from high-quality durable glass, and featuring pour or sift tops for light seasoning. The metal airtight caps keep your spices stay fresher longer. And finally, the 386 spice labels and chalk markers help you label the jars so you can avoid the hassle of searching when cooking. With 340 pre-printed labels and 46 blank labels, you can easily find the right spice for your dish. Get your spices organized once and for all with the Space 8 Spice Drawer Organizer. Number 5. Clear Acrylic Spice Drawer Organizer. If you're anything like us, your spices are probably crammed into a drawer or two, with little hope of ever seeing the light of day again. But with our clear acrylic spice drawer organizer, your spices will be organized, within reach, and ready to use whenever you need them. This 4-tier organizer is made of sturdy clear acrylic and expandable from 133 to 263, so it can fit into nearly any drawer. Each level has slanted dividers that make it quick and easy to find the spice you need. Plus, the high transparency matches any home style and atmosphere. Use it in your kitchen to organize all your spices, essential oils, and herbs. Or try it in your bathroom to organize your medicine, nail polish, and other small bottles. With this organizer, your things will be tidy, within reach, and ready to use. Common questions on clear acrylic spice drawer organizer. 4-tier 2-set expandable from 133 to 263 seasoning jars. Drawers insert, kitchen spice rack tray for drawer countertop, jars not included. How many spice drawers are included in the set? 2 spice drawers are included in the set. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price by verifying the right product quality and what is the customer's demand. If you want to know product details or price, need any kind of more information, comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for my watching.